Glyphosate is a staple in many weed control programs, but its power depends on how you mix it. In this video, we show why AMS-based adjuvants such as Velocity DRYMAX and Class Act NG are the only proven way to unlock glyphosate's full potential. In the lab, the glasshouse, and the field. When it underperforms, the whole season feels it. That's why how you mix it matters. Cation-sensitive herbicides like glyphosate can be neutralized by minerals in water. Those cations bind to glyphosate and twist it into poorly absorbed complexes. This reduces efficacy due to a crusty, viscous deposit that forms on the leaf surface. In lab work, glyphosate absorption dropped from 59% in distilled water to 21% in sodium-rich water and 1% in calcium-rich water. Ammonium sulfate, AMS, permanently binds antagonistic cations, an irreversible reaction that forms gypsum and takes the problem out of play. These star-shaped crystals that form on the leaf surface are what allow glyphosate to do its job, delivering clean and effective weed control. Efficacy isn't the only pressure. Agriculture needs lower costs and a smaller footprint. We've already reduced transport and storage with spray-grade granular AMS and optimized performance with Class Act NG. Ultra-low-rate replacements promised even leaner logistics. If they matched AMS in efficacy, growers and the whole supply chain could benefit. So we tested them. Many AMS replacements rely on chelating chemistries such as DTPMPA plus ATMPA. Chelation ties up cations, but that bond is reversible. Cations can re-enter solution and still antagonize glyphosate. AMS, by contrast, precipitates the cations, removing them for good. Head-to-head in calcium binding, AMS led, and when we compared at realistic use rates, the gap widened dramatically. Some replacements would need over 17 times their maximum label rate to match AMS's complexing power, neither efficient nor economical. In all trials, glyphosate alone provided poor control due to the deliberately low application rate. Only the AMS product, Velocity DRYMAX, consistently lifted glyphosate performance, even at low rates, outperforming the replacements. In repeated field trials, Class Act NG and the replacement adjuvants were applied with glyphosate and calcium-containing water. To level the surfactant playing field, we added 0.1% of Villa 51 to the replacements. Even with this adjustment, Class Act NG consistently delivered the most reliable and effective weed control. The science is clear, and the trials are consistent. In the lab, the glasshouse, and the field, AMS-containing adjuvants such as Velocity DRYMAX and second-generation Class Act NG outperformed the alternatives. That's why Villiers' stance is firm. For glyphosate and other cation-sensitive herbicides, we only recommend these products, built on yesterday's science, delivering clean and effective weed control today and preparing you for tomorrow.